beach, right? To enjoy our session. Okay? What are the things can you see in the beach, children? Oh, lots and lots of water. Such a big body is there. Yes. The blue color fully, this blue color is water, sea water, right? Okay, fine. Hmm. Then what, ma?
The ball. There's a ball.
How many boys are there? Can you count and say how many boys are there?
Boys, how many boys?
Boys. Three boys, huh?
Keep your finger on the boy's face and count.
Five boys.
5 boys are there?
Three boys.
Only 3? Who will say in the correct order?
One.
Yes, girls are 3.
4 boys, 3 girls. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
3 girls. How many boys?
4 boys.
Yes, 4 boys. Totally how many children are there?
Count, come on,
Totally how many children are there? Come on, count fast. Keep your finger on the face and count.
1.
Yes. 7 children are there. Very good, very good, very good. 7 children are there. Okay, anything else can see there? Yes, Keshav, what did you say? Sun. Yes, sun is there. Hot sun is there, right? Mid-noon sun. Okay. Then I can see so many things in the beach. Can you, children? Crab. Can count and say how many crabs are there? Crab. Yes, how many crabs are there? 1 crab. Then what else?
Count. 1, 2, 3.
4 starfish. Yes, 4 starfish. What is the color of starfish? Children, what are the color of starfish?
What are the colors?
Yellow. Then see pink, yellow, blue. Yes. Okay. And anything else can see? Yes, coconut tree is there. Very nice. Coconut tree is there. Then a small hill is there, right? This is what? This is a light yellow, green color. Yellowish green color. What is this? A small hill, right? Hill. Then what is this colorful thing? Ball. Yes. And what is this? Yes, colorful ball. So many colors can see, right? What are the colors are there?
Blue, yellow, red,
Orange. Yes, orange. Then blue.
green color.
Right. Okay, very good description, children. Very good description. Who's eating a bread? Bread or sandwich? Who's that eating?
Blue boy.
Yes, that blue t-shirt boy, right? Who's drinking Coke? Who's drinking cool drink juice or something? Yes, violet color girl, right? Who's sleeping under the umbrella?
Yellow boys.
Yes, you can find out, children. Yes, okay. Fine. Let's go back to the session. Yes, you enjoyed, right? Madhuvanti, Madhuvanti, move little back. Okay, okay, fine. Adan, Adan, good morning. Litiksha, good morning.
Good morning,
Jason,
Sallu.
good morning. Farheen, say all of you good morning, ma'am, and good morning, friends. All say together. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
Very good, very good. Say like that, okay? Say, fine. Okay, now you can go for the session, okay? But give your attendance first, then we go for. Okay, Adan? Adan, give your attendance, Adan. Adan, give your attendance. Okay. Farheen? Farheen?
Turn around.
Farheen, mummy, enable your video. Oh, enabled only, but not seeing.
Oh my! I don't know what is happening daily.
Okay, okay, fine.
Say, I just rejoined.
Ah, yeah, okay. Say here I am, Farheen. Okay. Jason? Jason, come on. Huh?
See?
Very cute, Jason. Keshav? Keshav, give your attendance, Keshav.
Say here I am, ma'am.
Yeah. School kuda pogana.
He said, don't talk.
Oh, you don't talk. He's telling you.
Now school time.
Oh, very cute. Oh, my obedient child. Oh, mom. Super, Kana. Good,
Say here I
good.
am.
Okay, you listen. Okay, cleanly observe the class. Okay, very good, Keshav. But you can say here I am at least. At least here I am. You can say.
Say, now, study time, ma. Study time.
How studious you are, huh? Litiksha,
Okay.
Litiksha.
Litiksha, ஏஞ்சி clap பண்ணுங்க. Turn around. Here I am, ma'am. சொல்லுங்க.
Very good, Litiksha. Madhu.
Already.
Huh.
மறந்துமா?
Say here I am, Madhu.
சொல்லு here I am ன்னு சொல்லு clap your hand, turn around. அப்புறம்
Very good. Shivanya.
எழுதுப்போ நீ சொல்லு இப்போ ஓட்டான் வந்துட்டு எந்திரி
அப்பதான் ஷிப் எந்திரி
எந்திரி
Shivanya.
எந்திரி
எந்திரி
clap பண்ணு
Shivanya, why do you act like this? Come on, you're a very studious girl, energetic girl, na? Come on, give your attendance.
he did it in the turn of Madhuvati.
Oh, right.
பண்ணு clap
எந்திரி
clap
turn around. Say.
Okay, nice. Saimira, Very good, Saimira. Varsha not yet joined.
See,
Jahnavi also not yet joined, right? Let them come.
join. See, here I am, ma'am.
Oh, right. Sorry. Say
She
Varsha.
she wanted to clap and do something, but she couldn't do it.
Let her clap at least. Come on. Clap, Varsha. Yes.
See, here I am, ma'am.
Say now here. Very good, Varsha. Good girl. So sweet. Sorry, Varsha. I didn't notice your name. Okay. Fine, children. All stand up for prayer. All stand up, stand up. Yes, good children. Yes. Let's say the prayer, right? Fine. Close your eyes. Keshav, is this eating time? No, this is studying time, right? Learning time. Okay, fine. Children, say along with me. Okay. Kids, the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind to beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning. Good morning. All clap and say good morning. Good morning. Very good, very good. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Very superb, Jason. Saimira, very good, good. Very nice, children. Okay. Shall we go for Arabic? Are you ready? Yes? Ma'am has back pain. Okay. So, ma'am can't do. You do. I'll play the music. You do, children. Okay.
Okay. Leave it and screw it.
Yes, ready. Jason, come on. Shivanya, come on, do Shivanya. Just run. Samira, do fast.
Very nice, very nice.
Done in a nice way. Yes, relax yourself. Okay, fine. Yes, get ready. Get ready for the session, children. All clap your hands once. Come on. One clap. Only one clap. I said one. One clap. Two claps. Count and two. Count. Yes, that's it. That's it, Madhu. Three claps. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. Tap. Tap on your knee. Tap your knee. 1, 2, 3. Yes, tap on your knee. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yes. Snap your fingers 3 times. Snap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All blink your eyes. Blink your eyes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Very nice. So now sit all. All sit in your place. Good children. Saimira, sit in your place. Madhu. Good, very good, very good. Very good children. All are very so sweet. Sing. Shall we sing the song? Yes. Come on, sing. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Sing, children. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Sing. If it is green. No, not that song, right? Sorry. Sorry. Johnny. Yes, ready. Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Sing, children. All sing. You know that this song is very, very familiar for you, right? Sing. Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Yes, can you sing along with me? Madhu? Madhuvanti, you know the song Johnny? Yes. Action.
Sugar, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth.
Very good. All clap hands to Madhu, children. All clap your hands to Madhu. Good, Madhu. Any of you know this song? Yes? Shivanya, you know the song? Sing louder. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Litiksha, you know this song, Litiksha? Do you know this song?
Papa, eating sugar, no papa. Eating sugar, no papa.
Telling lies, no papa.
Open your mouth. Ha, ha,
Open your
ha.
mouth.
Yes, I know. Mostly all of you know this song, right? Saimira, can you sing Johnny song?
Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Open your
Telling lies.
no papa.
Open your mouth. Yes, Jason, you know the song?
Darling, darling, let Papa eat it today. No, Papa, there he wait. No, Papa, Papa, no.
Ha ha ha.
Super.
Very good, super. Very nice. Varsha? Varsha, you know the song?
Darling, let Papa eating sugar. No, Papa. Telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Very cute, very good. Jason? Sorry, Keshav? Keshav, can you sing the song?
No, we got the bobbin now. Okay.
Keshav, this is class session time, right?
We got the school time now, rhymes time now.
Rhymes time?
Wait.
Johnny, sing.
We got the bobbin now.
Don't know? Keshav don't know the song? Adam, you know the song, Adam? Okay, fine. So, shall we sing together, children? Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Farhin, you sing, Farhin. Sing.
Johnny.
Very good, very good. Right, fine. Now, Mom is going to teach you alphabet. Mom is going to introduce a new letter, M. Okay, children? Yes, I'll show the letters. Children, what letter is this? What is it? L. Yes? Jason, what letter is this? L. Okay, Keshav, what letter is this? Keshav, look at here. What is it? Is this A? Naughty? What letter is this? K. Yes, K. Farhin, what letter is this? Yes, elephant only. Yes, what letter is this? E. Very good. Jason, what is this?
What is this?
B. Very good. Madhu? Madhu, say the letter. G. Very good. Varsha?
Yeah.
Very nice. Litiksha?
இது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு ஏ சொல்லு
Yes.
A. Saimira? Saimira, what letter is this?
Letter I.
Very good. Shivanya?
Louder.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Adam? Okay, Keshav, what is it? Keshav? Dada, what is that? D for Dada, D. Madhu, what is this? C. Nitiksha?
ஹெச் சொல்லு
Yes.
H. Very good. Now, ma'am is going to show you a new letter. Children, do you know what is this? Yum. M says M says Say, Saimira, look at here. What is this? What letter is this?
What the sound of?
M. What does M says? Say all of you. All say the sound of M, children. Yes, Shivanya, what is the sound of M?
And for Kisti.
Sound of M.
Yummy.
M says Litiksha, say what does M says? Yes. Jason, what does M says? Very cute. Keshav, say what does M says? Very cute. Farheen, what does M says? Say what does M says? Madhu, say what does M says? Very good, very good. Varsha, what does M says?
Not the assisting thing. Did you do it? You know that's
What
M
is
says
Say
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Say
one.
mask.
yes, I'll show mask. What does M says? M says
say
The sound of M is Okay, children. Fine. This is M. Children, you know how to write M? First, you have to start from the down. From down to go up, then come down, again go up and come down. Shall we write in that? Come on. Go up, come down, go up, come down. Say all of you how to write M. Saimira, sit and write M in there. Go up, come down, go up, come down. That is letter M. I'll show you some pictures which is related to letter M, children. Okay. Yes. This is what, children? This is letter M. Children, do you know how to write letter M? See, from down to go up, come down, come as a slanting line. Okay. Then again one slanting line, then a straight line. This is letter M. See, go up, come down, go up, come down. Letter M. Okay. See, go up, come down, go up, come down. Letter M. What is it? Letter M. Say, children, say all together. Letter M. M says Okay, M says, what's the sound of M? See, M for, do you know what fruit is this? Does any of you know what is the name of this fruit? Mangustan. Okay, Mangustan. M for Mangustan. Say, say all of you. Mangustan. M for Mangustan. Mangustan. Okay. What is this? What is it? Say monkey. Monkey. M for, yes, M for monkey. Monkey. M for, what is this? What fruit is this? Mango. Yummy mango. Mango. M says, M for mango. 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 What is this, children? Nowadays everyone is using, right? Over all the world. What is this? Mask. M for mask. M for mask. Mask. Okay? Mask. Very good, very good, very good. What is this? Mat. Mat. What is it? Mat. M for mat. M for mat. Okay? Mat. What is this one? These two nowadays we can see everywhere. What is it? What insect is this? Mosquito. Yes, mosquito. M for mosquito. Mosquito. Okay, M for mosquito. What is this? We can see our face in this. Mirror. Mirror. What is this? Mirror. M for mirror. M for mirror. Okay? Yes, fine. All take this page, children. This worksheet page. Yes? Page number D75, 76. No, D75. Okay? Already we learned letter J, K and L. Yes? J for jacket. Yes, right? J for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for ladder. Am I right, children? Yes. Now take the workbook. Page number D75 LT. Complete this page. Okay? Okay, write letter J. Yes, have to start from the up. One standing line and a bending line. Yes. Next K. One standing line, two slanting line. K. And then L. One standing line and a sleeping line. Like that you have to write. Okay. J. K. L. Yes, write like that. J, K, L.
It's okay.
Yes, are you writing? Finish? How fast? Show me. Yes, very good, very good. What are the letters? Samina, say, keep your finger on the letter and say. Ja, what? What letter is that?
What letter? J.
J. What's the second letter? Yes, very good, very good. Sound and all very clear concept, you got it. But you have to say the letter name, right?
She
What's
said
the second?
K.
Yes, okay. K. Right.
Yeah,
Fine. What is the next one?
Okay. This one. Sound.
L. Right? L. Very good, very good.
இங்க ரைட் பண்ணு. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
Yes, complete that page, children. Or else first two lines you write, then afterwards you can complete in the take it as a homework. Next two lines take it as a homework. First two line alone you write. Keshav finished? Good, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, Keshav. Very good, very good.
కూర్చోబెను
Very nice, Madhu. Madhu, say what are the letters?
letters சொல்லுங்க வந்து காமி. என்னென்ன letter எழுதிருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Say the letters. What are there?
சொல்லுங்க என்னென்ன letter சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க அது என்ன? இது என்ன?
Very good.
போதும். ஜே. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Very nice. What for L for? What is L for?
L for என்னது? What is this? அது பேர் என்ன? என்னது அது?
L for
ladder.
ladder. L for ladder. K for
K for what is this? Madhu. K for என்ன சொல்லுங்க வாங்க.
K for
இது என்ன?
kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Yes. Okay, Tamil la kangaroo, English la kangaroo. Okay. You are in English medium school, right? J for
She told me jacket.
Okay, jacket. Nice. Farhin, good Farhin. Very good. Can you say the letters? What letter is the first one? Say what letter is that? J. Very good. Next. Very cute. And then L. Very nice. Very nice. Jason, finished? Varsha, Adan, Shivanya. Very good. Very good, Jason. Jason, say the letters.
இது என்ன letter?
Oh. L. K for what, Jason?
K for? He's saying kite, ma'am.
Kite is there, but kite is not there, right? What is that picture? Kangaroo. J for?
J for?
Baby kangaroo.
He's saying baby kangaroo.
That's foil.
For?
Baby kangaroo is inside the pouch, right? Yes. Foil. Very good. L for?
Radar.
Radar. Very nice. Cute work. Neat work. Superb. Adan finished, Adan? Good, Adan. Very good. Very good. Shivanya, what about you? Litiksha? Litiksha and Shivanya finished? Okay. Okay. Right. Now we are going to the math session. Okay? Shall we count like numbers 1 to 30, children? Okay. Say all count 1 to 30. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Yes. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 2, 22. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Shall we go for the worksheet session? Okay. Take all this page. Page number D75. Yesterday we have done 1 to 5 4 numbers. Now we have to go for 5 to 8 numbers. All the numbers are familiar to you. What's the first number, children? Say, count and say how many roses are there first. One. Jason, count the roses and say how many roses are there. Yes, how many roses are there? 5. So here you have to write number 5. Yes, okay. Write number 5. Number 5. How to write number 5? One standing line and a curved line. Up one sleeping line. Yes. Litiksha, can you count and say how many periwinkle flowers are there?
5.
Periwinkle flower, not rose. The violet color flower. Second one.
எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்ணாம நீ கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லு மிஸ் கிட்ட.
Keep your finger and then count.
1 2 3 4 5 6 இல்ல 6.
Yes, very nice, dear. 6. So have to write 6 in this box. Okay. And then Keshav, can you count and say the sunflowers? How many sunflowers are there?
Flowers are there.
No,
আচ্ছা শোনো এটা দেখো আগে মামা হাউ মেনি সানফ্লাওয়ার্স কাউন্ট করো
1,
2, 3,
আচ্ছা এটা আগে করো এটা ম্যামকে বলে দাও
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
না হয়নি আবার করো
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
হুম
7,
হুম
Very cute. No, only 7. Okay, 7. So have to write 7 here. Okay,
হুম
7. Saimira, count and say how many flowers are there. The last one. Orange color flowers.
Count in your book.
Yes, count louder.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. So what is the count?
Sound.
8. Okay, write 8 like this. Okay, children. So do like this. Finish that. Children, only two numbers you write. The rest of the letters write in take it as a homework. Okay. Shall we move to the next page? Yes, shall we go, children? Yes. Take page number D75, the next page, empty. The numbers are shuffled here. It's not in the order. Okay. You have to count and color the object according to the number. Okay. Right side, left side, it has given the number. The right side objects are there. First, see the number. What number is this? The first. Varsha, say what's the first number? Varsha? Yes. What is this number?
What is
First
the first
number?
number?
5. So you have to only 5 hearts. First you have to select the hearts first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to stop and give color to the 5 objects. Okay. So have to count. Put 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you have to stop there. Then you have to start coloring. Okay. So color like this. Have to stop like this. Okay. So what's the next number? See the next number. Keshav, what's the next number, Keshav?
What number?
Say what number is this?
Yum.
Is this one he is saying M, right?
Yeah, 1, ma'am.
1. Okay. So you have to color only one object. Yeah. Only one object. You have to write the number down. 1. Okay. Then you start coloring. Yes, only one object you have to color. Farheen, what is the third number? Farheen, what is the third number, Farheen?
Which number?
What is this number? Third number?
Yeah.
4. So have to write down 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 1. First you have to select the number of objects. Okay. 3, 4. Then you start giving color only 4 objects. Okay, color like this. Litiksha, say what's the next number? 2. 2. Have to select 2 numbers. Okay. Have to select 2 numbers. 1, 2. Okay. Then you have to start coloring. Button. Give whatever you want color. You give. Okay. Shivanya. What is the last number, Shivanya?
8.
8. So you have to select 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop there and start giving coloring. Start give coloring. Is all finished? Okay. All are very busy, right? Okay, fine. All give one clap. Children, all give clap. Stop your work. Yes, stop. Afterwards, you can continue. Okay. It's not possible to complete everything in the session. Okay.
We can do it later.
Yes, you can do later.
See? Okay, pink panla. Ma'am, clap hands. First clap hands, I will tell you.
Yes, all clap. Yes. Yesterday I taught you so many flowers name, right? Today I'll introduce some more flowers. Are you ready to see? Yes? Yes, very good. Come on, let's join. See, yesterday I taught you these things, right? What is it?
What is this?
What flower is this? Sunflower. Yes? What is this? Varsha, what is it?
No, what flower is it?
Red?
Rose.
Rose flower. Yes, very good. Red rose. Shivanya, what is this? Jasmine. Very good. Not this. Madhuvanti, what is this?
Hey,
Is this rose?
no, not a rose. What flower, mother?
Very good. Marigold. Very good girl. And what is that? Litiksha, what is it? Litiksha?
Lotus. Lotus.
Sema? Yes, lotus. Red color lotus, right? Farheen, what is this? Farheen?
Lotus.
Yes, lotus. Okay, yesterday we saw those things, right? Today, ma'am is going to show you new flower. Do you know what is this? Shoe flower. What is it? Shoe flower. What is the color of this shoe flower? Pink color. Saimira, you like this pink color, right? You love pink color. Yes, very good. So the color of this shoe flower is pink flower. This flower is otherwise known as hibiscus. Okay. It has two names. One is hibiscus. Hibiscus is actually its botanical name. This is shoe flower. Okay. There are many colors in shoe flower. Shall I show? This one. Commonly you see this color only, right? What is the color of this shoe flower?
Red.
Say, what is the color of this shoe flower? Jason, say. Jason, what color of this shoe flower? Red. Very good. What is this? This is also shoe flower. Shoe flower has many colors. It is, yes, pink and yellow. Very good. This one? This one is what color? This is a shoe flower. What is the color of this shoe flower? You see, children, lovable colors. Purple color and pink, right? Pink and purple. This one is yellow and white. Okay?
Yellow and white.
Very good. Yellow and white. Keshav, this is? This is what color, Keshav?
की कलर बोलो?
Yeah. Orange.
Is this yellow? No. Then what is this color? This is it. This is yellow. What about this color?
Yellow.
এটা की कलर?
Orange.
Red.
Orange. Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Yes? That is orange color. Orange. See how many colors are there in shoe flower. See, this is light pink, right? Light pink shoe flower. It has 5 petals, children. Usually shoe flower has 5 petals. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the center of the flower, it has a stamen, right? Yes, it has a stem-like structure and it has stamens in the flower. Okay, right. What is this color? Wow, peach color. Lovely peach color flower. This is multi-color shoe flower. Multi-color feather. What is that? Next one is aster. What is the name of this flower? Aster. The aster flower also in many colors. It has a very soft petals. Okay, and the inside it has dense inside. What is that known as? Something. Okay, this is aster flower. See, aster flowers in different shapes and different colors. Okay, this is also yellow color aster. That is pink color. This is yellow color. This is purple color aster. Okay, this is a lavender color aster. This is orange and yellow color aster. And this is pink color aster. Okay, now you have the homework today. Okay, take this page number 75, D75. Sorry, D76. Color the hibiscus and the aster. Hibiscus in red color, aster flower in purple color. Okay, children, take it as homework. Okay, fine. This you have a homework. And then one more thing I have to give you. Yes, I'd like to match this is also page number 75. Already we learned all the 4 shapes. Yesterday also ma'am has taught you. Okay, what is the first shape, children? Take page number 76 empty. What is the first shape? Can you say what's the first shape? Blue color. What is the shape? Is this circle? This blue color? Yes, square. This one, red color?
Circle.
Very good. The green color one?
Rectangle.
Very good. The yellow color one?
Oval.
Oval. Very nice. So, children, this side, the left side, it has given shapes. The right side, some object has given. We have to match the same shape. Okay? Have to match the same shape. See, this is square. The first one is square. Which shape, which object has the square, shape of square? Can you say? Which object has the shape of square?
Window.
Yes, very good. What is that? Window. So, shall we draw a line?
Pencil.
Shall we match the square with window? Okay. Yeah, draw a line to square to window. What is the second shape? Circle. Which object has the shape of circle? Shivanya, say. Which object has the shape? Yes. The first one is clock, window. Clock is the shape of circle. Children, see properly. Clock is the shape of circle. Yes, oval. Then why do you say circle? This one? Yes, a wheel. The circle to wheel. Okay? Draw a line from circle to wheel. And third shape is rectangle. Which object has the shape of rectangle? See? Envelope. Very good. Envelope. Okay, this one. And oval to clock. Yes. Very good. Oval to clock. Okay, finished. Then you close the book. Now this is for you a reading time, children. Okay. This is for you reading time. Ma'am is going to teach you a new book, The Pepper. After a long time, we are going to see Pepper again. Can you remember Pepper? Yes, children? Yeah. This story is Pepper meets his new neighbor. What is it? Pepper meets his new neighbor. This is Pepper. The neighbor is this one, the squirrel. Polly, the squirrel, is the neighbor of Pepper. Okay, fine. One day Pepper was playing in his garden with a ball. Once he was playing, the ball passed into the next compound. Okay, see, Pepper said, "Oops, the ball has gone. How can I take this?" Pepper was thinking and searching the ball. That time, one more, the next house girl has come there and asked, "Hi, what are you looking for?" She is asking Pepper. This is Pepper, you know. This is the next house girl. Her name is Polly. She was seeing there, one boy was searching something and she's asking him, "Hey, what are you looking there? Looking for?" So Pepper turned back and said, "Oh, hi, I'm looking for my ball." What he's looking? Pepper is searching his ball, right? He said, "Oh, hi, I am looking for my ball. I lost my ball. That I am searching," said Pepper. That girl said, wait. I'll search and give you," said the girl, and she said, "There it is. I'll get it. Wait," said she. She said, and Pepper said, "Oh yes, thank you, thanks a lot," said Pepper. Then that girl picked the ball and said, "Hi, I'm Polly. What's your name?" asked that girl to Pepper. Pepper said, "I'm Pepper. I didn't know anyone have in this house." Pepper thought that it was a locked house. And she said, "We have just moved on." That time Pepper heard the sound, "Pepper, where are you? Pepper, where are you?" Somebody called Pepper. Both they were turned back and see Pepper friends, some of Pepper friends were there. They were searching Pepper. "Pepper, come and play." Pepper said to Polly, "Polly, those are my friends," said Pepper. Now Polly and Pepper introduced Polly to the friends too. This is Polly. She has just moved on this house here," said Pepper. The friend said, "Hi Polly, come play with us," said the friends. And Polly joined with Pepper and other friends. They were happily played. Like that, Pepper got a friend, and Pepper brought Polly to his house to introduce his mother. "Mama, look, I have got a new." Pepper stopped there because he saw one more auntie was sitting there. That is Polly's mom. They were surprised by seeing that. And that auntie said, "Hello, Pepper. I'm Polly's mother. I see you. I see. Have you become friends already?" "Yes," said Polly's mummy. Then Polly said bye-bye to Pepper, and Pepper also say, bye Polly, come to play tomorrow with us. Yes, this is the end of the story. Okay, fine. So you saw the Polly story, right? Yes? Who are there in the story? Who are there in the story, Shivanya? Shivanya, say. Who are there in the story? Polly meet his new neighbor. Yes? Who are the characters in that story? Can you say, Shivanya? Polly, Pepper, and their friends and their moms, right? Yes. Tomorrow also, I'll repeat the same story. Okay, children? So, we are in the end of the session, and one information I'll give you, children. We are going to celebrate our Children's Day on November 14th, right? So, for that, we have a fancy dress competition. Those who are interested to participate in that competition can give your name. Okay, children? Okay, be happy. Show your happy face. Yes. Behalf of the Miladi Nabi, tomorrow we have leave, right? Tomorrow will be a holiday for you. So I'll meet you again on Monday, children. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.